Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, let us discuss the NOR gate as universal gate. Okay, that means we are going to realize the NOT gate. That means the inverter, AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, and XNOR gate using the NOR gate. Okay, let us write NOR gate symbol here. Okay, NOR gate symbol here. Okay. Yeah, A, B, Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. Yeah, truth table. Let us write truth table A, B, Y. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Yeah, guys. We know that in the NOR gate, the output is 1 when the input both are 0, 0. 0, 1, the output is 0. 1, 0, the output is 0. 1, 1, the output is 0. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Now let's realize the NOT gate using the NOR gate. Okay. Yeah. NOR gate as NOT gate. Okay. Since if you observe on the truth table, you have to know that when the both the inputs are 0, 0, the output is 1. And when the both the inputs are 1, 1, the output is 0. That means by simply shorting the input, we get the NOT gate. Okay. Yeah. Let it be A. Y is equal to A bar. Okay. Let us implement the NOR gate here. Okay. NOR gate has OR gate. Okay. By simply putting inverter, that means NOT gate to the NOR gate, we can easily implement the OR gate. Yeah, right. Yeah. It is first write the NOR gate AB. Yeah. And then simply put the inverter. That means the NOT gate. Yeah. Y. Yeah, I will explain this by changing the color how it comes. Okay. Yeah, guys, here the output will be A plus B whole bar, right? And then here it will become A plus B bar whole bar. It will become A plus B, right? Yeah, let me change this color. Y equal to A plus B. Okay. I hope you understand how we implement the OR gate using the NOR gate. Okay. Now let's move to the NOR gate as AND gate and NAND gate. Okay. I will explain it using the equation. Let y is equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar through the De Morgan's law. It will become A bar whole bar dot B bar whole bar. It will become A dot B. Okay, that's it. Yeah, we need to give the input as A bar and B bar. Okay. Yeah. Let's write the gates. Okay. Yeah. Let the input is A. Yeah, we know that here the output will come as A bar and then here it is B. Same thing. Here we know that the output is B bar. A bar. Here it is B bar. Okay, if it given to the another NOR gate. Okay, what will be the output? Yeah, Yeah, I will write the output in the green color here. Okay. Y is equal to what will happen? Y is equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar. We have solved that as Y is equal to A dot B. Okay, here Y is equal to A dot B. If we give the inverter to it, it will become NAND gate. Okay, that's it. Yeah, inverter, that means the NOT gate. Here it will become A dot B whole bar. Let us consider this as Y dash A dot B whole bar. I hope you understand how I implement the AND gate and the NAND gate using the NOR gate. Okay, yeah. Yeah guys, let us move to the next case. Okay. NOR gate has XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay. Yeah. First I will implement it using the gates and then I will explain that. Okay. Yeah. Let it would be A. Let this one would be B. Yeah. Give it to the NOR gate here. Okay. And then here one NOR gate. Okay. Give this output to this and here also one NOR gate. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then give this to the NOR gate here. Okay. Yeah. Let us discuss the output. What will it come? I will change this color. Here it will be A. Okay. Here the output will be A plus B whole bar. Right. Here the input is B. Here the output will A plus B bar whole bar. Right. Here it can write it as A bar dot A plus B bar whole bar. Right. Yeah, right. Here we can write this one as A bar dot A plus B. We know that A plus B bar whole bar is equal to A plus B. Then A bar A plus A bar B. Right. You know that A bar A is 0. Then the output will be A bar B. Okay. Yeah guys, let's write A bar B here. Okay. Here the output is A bar B. Okay. A bar B. I wrote it here and let's move to this case. Here the output is B plus A plus B bar whole bar. Okay. And then it will equal to, we know that B bar dot A plus B bar whole bar. Here it will become B bar dot A plus B. Here it will become as A dot B bar plus B dot B bar. We know that B dot B bar is 0. The output will become A dot B bar. Right? A dot B bar here. Okay. Yeah. A dot B bar. Here let's consider this as Y. I will write that here. Yeah, let us write a line like this. Y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. It can written as, we know that A B plus A bar. Yeah, this one is the output of XOR gate. We know that if we take the complement, it will become XNOR gate. Yeah, guys, let's next write the inverter. That means the NOT gate to this. That will become the XOR gate. Okay, yeah. Let us consider this as Y bar. Okay. Then the Y bar it will become A bar B plus A B bar. Yeah guys, we have realized the NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate using the NOR gate. I hope you understand the concept clearly. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section I will reply guys. Thank you for watching guys.